Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove delete cells in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then you show the salary sheet. Sheet is the remove cells in Microsoft Excel. Firstly select your all text border and going to the delete option. Now click for the delete cells option. That's okay. Now click for the sheets cells left. Now for click. That's okay. Then you should remove cells in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for